Yo, what is good, everybody? Ben from Lover of Tech. Man, after a long wait, my iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue, 128 gigabytes is here. And that's going to be a whole nother video I'm going to do separately about it. But yes, it is finally here. iPhone 12 Pro Max is in the Lover of Tech HQ studio. We're going to unbox it, man. And I know you guys have seen many unboxings on it, but this is my unboxings. I still wanted to do it, man. And I wanted to kind of share my impressions on it, just hands-on, before I do everything else on it. So yeah, man, let's get unboxing the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you know, this is Apple's premium top of the line Max phones from when it started in what? The iPhone XS Max was actually my previous last proper iPhone that I used, and it replaces the 11 Pro Max and the iPhone XS Max XS Max. So Pacific Blue, not specific, Pacific Blue. I'm gonna be very honest. You guys have seen me do videos on the charging situation with the charging brick. I'm gonna be honest, I like the slimmer box. I'm gonna be honest and say that I like the slimmer box. I don't agree with the Pro models not coming with a charger, but I like the slimmer box. Right, let's get into it. And this is the base model. 128 gigabytes. And that's another thing I'm happy about. Okay, so we're seeing the back straight away. Wow. This is the Pacific Blue. Ooh, okay. Definitely cold to the touch. Ooh, the smell, it's that new phone smell, new iPhone smell for sure. The camera module. Let's try and bring that up so you can see more of it. Wow, camera module looks massive. Looks like it protrudes. Right, let's put this to the side. And yeah, simple as one Apple sticker, one instruction manual, SIM ejector tool, designed by Apple in California. Cool, put this to the side. This is the Lightning to USB-C cable. And my contention with this is I really just wish Apple went with a USB-C cable to USB-C and ditched Lightning. Even if they didn't supply the cable, I think there's just more people that have USB-C cables over the last 5 years when Apple first actually introduced USB-C on a 12-inch MacBook than, you know, USB-C ended Lightning. So it's as simple as that. I'm gonna have to get a charger and do some charging speed tests. All right, let's put this to the side. And you've got paper at the front. And actually, before we peel it off, you hear the sound. You've got these icons here that show the power button, the volume up and down as separate buttons, as well as the silent switch. The bottom button just doesn't feel as premium. That's just me. Okay. Now, you guys are probably seeing that this ceramic shield glass for the front is only for the front, but it has been scratching easily. So after this unboxing, and after my impressions of this on the unboxing, I'm going to put the screen protector on there, which is going to be on a separate video, so watch out for that. Already, fingerprints on the stainless steel frame. Yeah, it feels bigger than I was expecting it to. In the hand, it doesn't feel okay. The rounded corners kind of help it a bit. Okay, power button lands perfectly on the thumb. Volume rockers on the other side, which I really appreciate. And then the silent switch can feel a bit of a stretch. Yeah, to the point where I think you'll need to, yeah, okay, you can still kind of reach it. Nah, it's a bit of a stretch. And you've got the Face ID module in the top notch. We're gonna power this on. Hopefully we've got some power in there. Yep, cool, Apple logo. This Pacific Blue does feel quite nice actually. It's decent. It's not an outstanding blue, It's quite subtle. Just try and show it more. Hello. Okay, English, United Kingdom. Set up manually. You have to actually connect it to the Wi-Fi. Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't know, based on first impressions, it feels solid. It does feel premium. I don't know, the bezels look quite thick to me, in my opinion, but that just might be me, and it's probably just the nature of just having a flat, boxy design. Yeah, so I think the True Tone display is active. Interesting. All right, I'm gonna connect this to the Wi-Fi and get to the main menu and give you a further impression of it. So I'm gonna come back. Okay, so we're back. I've put a SIM card in there, so that should allow us to actually use mobile connection. Wait a few minutes to activate. So I've got this on my carrier network, EE UK. So, okay, let's see. I just want to see how it looks with the True Tone display off. Man, having this notch still there just feels so archaic in this day and age with hole punch displays. And okay, I'm gonna set up later. I'm gonna not use a passcode for now. Don't use passcode. Don't transfer apps and data. Set up later in settings. Don't use. I literally just want to get onto the main menu. Cool. Not now. Disable for now. Set up later in settings. Just continue. Don't share. Okay, continue. Gonna continue. Dark mode, of course. Switch it up. Just keep on standard. Welcome to iPhone. And we're gonna swipe up. Okay, well, on the main menu, let me just go into the settings and let me just type in, okay, True Tone. Turn off True Tone. Auto lock 5 minutes. Okay, so based on first impressions, yeah, it feels nice. It feels nice. Maybe because I'm so used to carrying the Z Fold 2 and I'm used to the weight of it, it doesn't feel as heavy as how everyone has been saying, but we'll see once I put a case on it, once I put the screen protector on it. But this is my Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. We're gonna put it through its paces, man. Lover of textile, first impressions, battery test, charging test, camera test, full review, impressions. Yeah, you're gonna see it all from here, but let me just try and show off the Pacific Blue a bit more for you so you can see it. And yeah, the camera lenses definitely look a bit, you know, look bigger. Stainless steel rails, definitely, they're attracting a lot of fingerprints. These volume buttons, especially the bottom one, it just doesn't feel as, it feels clicky, but for some reason, the bottom volume key feels and looks a bit lower than the top one. That's just me personally. And these are the things where obviously the silent switch is solid, but these are the things I just like to give in my first impressions without having to watch anything else and kind of just go raw, unscripted. So yeah, Lightning, which I really wish it was gone. This should really be USB-C, and I don't take my words back, man. And also the display, it's a 60 hertz panel, and yeah, you can probably tell in my tone, man. we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see how this goes. This, again, I'm gonna leave it in the cards above. But the last iPhone I used for about 18 months and slightly over before I sold it was the iPhone XS Max. Before the iPhone XS Max, I had the iPhone 10. Before the iPhone 10, I used the 8 Plus. And before the 8 Plus, I had the iPhone 6s Plus. I've been an avid iPhone user for ages. Like since day one when I bought the iPhone 3GS cash outright, 2008, from Carphone Warehouse, Chingford, East London, when the Apple App Store first came out. So trust me, I've been an avid iPhone user. iPhone 4, iPhone 5S. So I don't know. Expectations are high, but we're gonna see. Maybe this phone might prove me wrong. Maybe this phone might just prove me wrong. That is it, man. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, my first unboxing. Let me know in the comment section below what other content that you want to see. Might try and get creative with it, man. Have you picked up any of the new iPhones, whether it's the 12 mini, the 12, the 12 Pro, the 12 Pro Max? What are your thoughts on it? And what iPhones and what phones were you using before you upgraded to the new iPhones? That's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.